Hi amazing souls, you're welcome back to my channel together with Queen Esther. In today's tutorial, it's all about waistband, elastic band. You can use elastic band for your pants, for your skirts, for your sleeves and all of that. This particular band, it doesn't have rope, but the one I did on the tutorial, that's the white shirt, that one has rope. So you just create like buttonhole, you create it and you pass the rope round your waist for easy adjustment, for more firmness and for adjustment. So mate, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the simplest and easiest way to insert your elastic in a band. Thank you. Guys, I've gone ahead to cut out my elastic for the band, and how I got the length was I minus 6 inches from my actual waist measurement. So minus 6 inches from the measurement, then that's what I did to achieve the length of the elastic. You can go as far as 7 to 8 inches depending on your preference. Next thing is to stitch the two ends. How you can achieve that is to lay one on each other. You bring one end and you bring the other one, lay it on each other and then stitch, top stitch as many times as you want, so that it will be very firm. Next is to notch the elastic, and the reason for notching the elastic is for even distribution. That's just the right way I think I should use for that, so that when you stretch it, everything will be equal for even distribution. If you've watched up to this extent and you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe so that other soulmates can also benefit from it. The next thing to do is to place your elastic on your fabric and pin it down the way you're seeing me doing. It's very simple, soulmate. It's very easy. So when you are done pinning down and check that everything is in order, then start sewing. This is one of the simplest and easiest way I attach my elastic to my pants, to my skirts as well. It's one of the easiest way, and it will come out very perfect and very neat. So I'll make sure that everything aligns well, and after that I'll also stretch the pants to know if it's giving me what I want. So after everything, when you are sure, when you're certain that it aligns well, then you sew. See the way I'm trying to make sure everything is in order before sewing. This is basically what you should do. When sewing yours, make sure everything is well arranged, and again, soulmate, try and drag the elastic so that it will be in a straight line, so that after sewing everything will be perfect, everything will come out neat. See the way I'm dragging it, arranging it, and also trying to push out any fabric that want to come on the way. So that's it. And again, I'll also stitch on the upper part. That one is optional. If you like, you can stitch it. If you like, you can leave it as well, depending on what you want, depending on your preference, depending on the design you want to achieve.